Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Can you hear my voice clearly? Yes. Okay. For those at home, can you hear my voice clearly? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Nah, class, I would like you, all of you, to open your camera so that we can see you clearly. Okay. Thank you, Ardelia. Thank you, Diana. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Hiralius, Stephen, Helen, Reno, Lovely. Thank you, Birgita. And wait a minute, our class. Okay, class. Before we go further, I ask you, who like to watch movie? Who like to watch movie? What kind of movie do you like to watch? Action. What else? Comedy, horror. Nah, my question is, why do you like to watch movie? Karena suka perang. Because movie is an art. And art is always the mirror of our life. Nah, so that we can learn anything from there. We can learn from other people experience by watching movie, and it also gives us pleasure. Okay, class, our topic today is about movie. Now, to begin with our lesson today, then I would like you to open your book on page 40. Okay. Yeah. Open your book on page 40. Have you? Yeah. 40. Who have watched Sherlock Holmes? Who have watched Sherlock Holmes? Not yet. Okay, not yet. Okay. Stephen Vincent? Stephen Vincent?
Sir?
Yeah, okay. Can you read the movie about Sherlock Holmes?
Yang pakai yang itu ya, Sir? Oh ya. Okay.
Film club favorite. Have you found that?
Wait, sir. What?
Page 40.
Yes, sir. I found it.
Yeah, okay. Can you read film about Sherlock Holmes?
Yes, sir. I can.
Yeah, okay.
This action Avenger film directed by Guy Ritchie takes place in London in 1891. Robert Downey Jr. plays the role of Sherlock Holmes. He is one of the most interesting characters I ever seen on screen. The special effects are amazing and the screenplay is excellent. It's fun, it's entertaining, and Robert Downey Jr. will hold your attention from beginning to end.
Okay, thank you, Vincent. Class, if you see, if you find years, for example, there it is written 1, 8, 9, 1. Sorry, I use wrong color. So how do you read this?
1891.
Yeah, you can separate these two number by saying 18 and 91. But you can also read it as a complete one. 1891. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. So my next question is for those who is here. What is Sherlock Holmes about?
Sir, genre.
Yeah, the genre.
Genrenya action.
Action film. Okay. Now we will read the next film. Yeah. Film B. 127 hours. Is there any volunteer who want to read? Velia, can you? Okay. You can move here.
127 hours. This film is based on the true story of a mountain climber, Aaron Ralston, who falls into a canyon in Utah. He can't get out of the canyon because his arm is under a rock. Over the next 5 days, he thinks about his life, his friend, and his family. He wants to survive. After the 5 days, he cuts off his arm. It is an inspiring film, and James Franco gives a brilliant performance as Aaron Ralston.
Okay, thank you, Velia. Now, class, once again, I would like to give you a little correction about how you pronounce this one. Nah, you don't sound this sound, so you pronounce it as climber. It also happen when you say this one. Yeah, you pronounce it as climbing. So yeah, climbing. Yeah, you don't sound the b sound. Okay. Thank you, Velia. And one more movie. So, what is 127 hours film about? Survival in the mountain. Okay. Thank you. Now let's go to the next movie, The Proposal. Graciela, can you read The Proposal?
Yes, sir.
The Proposal.
The Proposal. The Proposal is a romantic comedy that makes place in Alaska. The plot is predictable, but the dialogue is amusing, and the lead actors give excellent performance. Sandra Bullock plays the role of the central character. She is Canadian, and when her visa expires, she has 24 hours to leave the USA and the job she loves. Her American assistant, played played by Ryan Reynolds, agrees to marry her and she promises him a promotion. This is an enjoyable film.
Iya, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Grace. So, proposal, what is the genre of this film? Romantic. Comedy. Okay. We have three kind of film. What are they? Sherlock Holmes, it is about action. And then 127, it is about
Survival.
survival. And the last one, the proposal. It is about romantic comedy. Okay, I will give you the next task. You will hear several person. You have to give suggestion what film will be suitable for these people. Is it clear? Yeah. So what do you have to do? The first one, you will listen to several people. They like certain kind of film. And you have three kind of film. So you give suggestion to those people you will listen. Is it understood? Okay, so let us repeat again. What do you have to do? The first one? You? Hiralius, what will you do? You will hear. Okay, you will hear for several person. And then after that, you have to give suggestion to those person. Are you ready with that? Yes. Okay, I will share the sound first. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Movie club favorites.
Simon, 15. I like a good story and I particularly like factual movies. I enjoy movies that teach me something about people and the world. I don't like violence or blood.
Paula, 16. When I choose a movie, I want it to be relaxing and entertaining. I don't want anything serious, and I don't mind if the storyline is unoriginal. I like funny movies with happy endings.
Julia, 17. I like movies about relationships, but I'm not interested in a lot of the romantic comedies because they're so unrealistic. I quite like emotional movies, movies that make me laugh or cry.
John, 16. I hate boring movies or anything too romantic. I like thrillers, but not very scary. Dramas and crime stories with good acting and clever dialogue.
Ben, 17. I like movies that make me forget real life. Science fiction, fantasy, or even horror. I love movies with good special effects and lots of tension. I want to be scared.
Yeah. Okay. Have you got what do they like? I will play it once again so
Sir.
that you can have clear understanding of what they like.
Sir, aku punya pertanyaan. Ini pilihan buat mereka yang suka ini yang 3 yang tadi atau apa aja?
Yeah, only the 3. We focus on the 3. Yeah. Okay. Actually, there should be 6. But let us listen to them once again, one by one.
CD2, Track 7. Movie Club Favorites.
Simon, 15. I like a good story, and I particularly like factual movies. I enjoy movies that teach me something about people and the world. I don't like violence or blood.
Okay, that is Simon. So what does Simon like?
He like a good story.
A good story about factual. What does it mean by factual?
Ya benar.
Yeah, actual, based on real life. Okay, the next one, Paula. Listen to Paula carefully.
Paula, 16. When I choose a movie, I want it to be relaxing and entertaining. I don't want anything serious, and I don't mind if the storyline is unoriginal. I like funny movies with happy endings.
Yeah, what does Paula like?
He like a
Comedy.
movie funny and happy endings.
Happy ending, drama, unoriginal. Okay, let us listen to Julia.
Julia, 17. I like movies about relationships, but I'm not interested in a lot of the romantic comedies because they're so unrealistic. I quite like emotional movies, movies that make me laugh or cry.
Yeah, what does Julia like? Romance, but relation, but not a romantic comedies. Yeah. The next one, John. What does John like? Listen carefully.
John, 16. I hate boring movies or anything too romantic. I like thrillers, but not very scary. Dramas and crime stories with good acting and clever dialogue.
Yeah, okay. So what does John like? Horror. Okay, film. Crime. Action. Okay. Thriller, but not very scary. And the last one, Ben. Let us listen to Ben.
Ben, 17. I like movies that make me forget real life. Science fiction, fantasy, or even horror. I love movies with good special effects and lots of tension. I want to be scared.
Yeah, so he likes horror very much. We have 3 movies. We have 5 movies. Sorry, 5 person. So my first question is Sherlock Holmes. Who will be, according to you, who will like to watch this movie? Yeah, Simon, John, why? Yeah, John likes action. What else?
Simon likes factual movies kan?
Yeah, yeah, John like action, but he doesn't like a film that is too scary. Yeah. But he doesn't like romance, he doesn't like boring movie. And you think Sherlock Holmes is suitable for him. Okay, what about the proposal? Those at home. Julia, why do you think Julia will like to watch the proposal? Why Paula? Okay, who said Julia? Okay, why do you think Julia is will like this film?
Maybe I can Sarok bisa jawab karena kenapa
Okay,
Julia suka
ya, come on, Vincent.
proposal. Because di sini dikatakan I like emotional film.
I
And
like
the
emotional film.
Nah, in proposal is a romantic comedy. Romantic kan ada emosional lagi tuh, sir. Mungkin ini cocok.
Okay. Is there any other opinion? Why do you think, Paula?
Because she said she likes conventional romance.
When I choose a movie, I want to be relaxing and entertaining. Is it? Does the proposal fulfill Paula's? Yeah, funny film with happy ending. So, class, we can give suggestion of Sherlock Holmes to John and the proposal to Paula. You can also learn something from movie. Not only movie, but you can also learn something from any kind of art. Class, today I upload your assignment on Google Classroom. I have divided you into group. Okay. Nah, class, if you have opened your book, that is your assignment for today. It is about a short story by Doris Lessing entitled Through the Tunnel. Why do I choose this one? It is about you. It is about adolescents, how they try to fit into their peer group. Nah, what you have to do with that is, class, I would like you to make a group. I have divided you into group in your Google Classroom. Okay. And you read the short story at home. And then you answer the 12 question. 11 question is group question in which you can answer it together. But the last question is your personal question. That will be your individual question. Before we go further, do you have any question? Do you know what does it mean by fit into peer group? Yes, you try to join into certain group. Okay, class, is there any question? No? Yeah. Nah, if you don't have any question, class, that's all for this day. Okay. Or just in case you have any question about your assignment, you can text me personally about that. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for your for today's activity. Hopefully that you can have a very useful things you can learn. It is a lesson learned from art. If you don't have any question, then thank you and have a nice day.